How to link Honkai Star Rail with Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are trying to find a way to link your Honkai Star Rail account with Facebook, then it is a great way to keep your progress secure and make it easier to log in across devices. First of all, in order to link your account with Facebook, launch open the Honkai Star Rail game. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the phone icon at the top left corner, and from the expanded menu, click on Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, tap the Go button right next to User Center. You'll then come across this page where you need to click on Linked Accounts button, and in the pop-up, click Facebook. Now, verify your identity by tapping Security Verification. On the next page, go ahead and enter the verification code sent to you via your email. You'll receive a code from Hoyoverse. Go ahead and type in the code exactly as it was given to you, and you'll be taken to the Facebook's login interface. Go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials and tap on Continue. Right after you do that, you'll be able to link Honkai Star Rail with Facebook. Now, you'll be able to connect Honkai Star Rail account with Facebook, giving you an extra layer of security and a convenient way to sign in. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.